Welcome back, people. We already saw how to choose a particular element with the help of querrySelector function. We also have several other ways to do this. Let's look at them in this video. So we have a code here. I have added a ID for the h1 tag, a class for button and the list tags. Now the first method is getElementByTagName. First, let's go to the browser and open the console. So here what we are going to do is, so now we have a function getElementsByTagName. This looks through the website, the web page, and finds the element with the tag name mentioned in the function. So here we have mentioned li, which is the list item. So this gives back an array of all the li available in the code file. Let's run this. So we get a list, a array of all the list items available in the code file. We have three list items, and so we have three elements in the array. Now, what you have to note here is that the get element by tag name returns an array of elements, and we can use all the properties and methods of array with this array that is being returned as output. For example, you can choose a single value from the array using square brackets. Let's see how that works. So use square brackets and choose the first element, that is index 0, and press enter. You get a single li, that is the first li. You can also find the length of the array using the length method. Let's see how that works. So instead of the square brackets, I will type dot length. Press enter, we get 3 as output because the array has 3 items in it. To know more about arrays, take a look at video about JavaScript arrays. I have added a link to the video in the cards. So let's go to the next one. We can also get element by class name. Let's see how that works. So here we have a function getElementsByClassName. This allows you to select elements based on the name of the class we have given to the class. So let's go back to the code. We have the class name item for the list and a class name button for the button. So what we will do is go back to the website and give the name btn, which stands for the button class, and press enter. This will also return all the elements with the class name specified in the function as an array. So we have only a single element with the class name button, so it returns a single element but as an array. To learn more about classes and ID, refer video CSS selectors class and ID. I have added a link to the same in the cards. Even if we have only one element with the class button, we still get an array as output. There is another method of getting an element, that is with using ID. So the difference is that get elements by tag name and get elements by class name has the plural form elements, but ID has only element because a ID is always unique inside a particular block of code. This returns a single value and not an array. So we have a single h1 tag with the ID title. So let's run this. You get h1 tag with the ID title as the output. Now let's try to change the value of the inner HTML of h1 tag. To do that, we will use the code. So when you press enter, the inner HTML, that is supporting tech, gets changed to like, share, and subscribe. So with this, we will end the video. I hope you would have liked the video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to Supporting Tech.